Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog. Right now we're in the Prelude and we're gonna go on cruise, meet up with a couple of homies, try and hit a car meet. So no further ado, let's make it happen. I just pulled up to like this empty lot here because I got a few photos of the car. The car's been running pretty good so far. Right now it's just on a break-in tune, so my guess is the car is probably making just south of 300 wheel, which is definitely enough to have some fun. So we're gonna continue to get this engine broken in before we decide to turn this thing up and see what it can really do. Other than that though, the car's been handling very well. It hasn't been doing anything weird. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the setup so far. There's a couple lights on the dash that I gotta fix, as you guys can see. I got the SRS light on and then the ABS light. The ABS light is from one of the wires. It broke when I was doing the swap and getting down in there messing around with the axles, so I'll just need to wire that up. And then honestly, the SRS light has been on probably since I've gotten the car. I don't really understand why it does that, but it's kind of always been a thing. So if any of you Prelude guys are experiencing the same issues, I'd love to kind of know what solutions you have. The cops up here got the whole road blocked off. This is going to be interesting, driving past a cop with no hood on my car. Damn. It's really hot boy central right now, y'all. Hopefully one of these guys don't decide to pull behind me. It'd be crazy. It looks like somebody hit a pole. Ooh, man. That's crazy. Also gonna say I need to fix my speedo as well. It's nice to know how fast you're going. At the same time though, I'm not too bent out of shape because it kind of doesn't incriminate me in videos where I might be doing some Mexico activities. Super clean, super clean. Well, we are on our way to a night meet. I haven't been to a night car meet in a while, so we're going to see what some of the builds are that they'll be having out tonight. Should be pretty cool.
All right, guys, we made it out here to the meet. We got Quez over here in the E36, and we got Ari over here in his Camry. The Prelude has been going pretty smooth, so let's keep it pushing.
All right, Dr. Banks. So tell us a little bit about the E36, man.
Hey, man, you know, just we got a 2.8 in it. We swapped that 2.5 out. They blew a head gasket out in Vegas. We snagged her up. It was black, wrapped in matte green apple. Pretty basic, loaded diff, all bushings upgraded. You know, basic drift shit, ready to rock and roll. Only thing that's missing now is the bucket seats in and the hydro. But hey, we already been ripping. I gotta get on Instagram at Automars Realm. You know what I mean? I gotta check that shit out, man.
Going crazy. It's a real clean car right there. This man be getting sideways. Definitely tap in if you want to see the Drifty Boy content. And Ari, what's going on with the Camry?
I'm always so good set up with it, you know what I mean? Just like the BMW, bushings, full body coilovers, TRD sway bar, chassis bracing,
Oh yeah, that's crazy. How could I forget the BCs? I'm on BCs too.
Homies start firing off parts, then we all start remembering, like, wow.
I got E-weight wheels, you know. Eventually after turboing, I'm gonna be a super killer on the corners, so
Right.
watch out.
That's great. Well, she's over there looking real
Over
clean.
here busting willies.
Oh, wow. Can barely even catch it. Looks like he just got hit by a car. Walking around this meet. Got a clean little ARC 32 right here. This is actually one of my favorite chassis when it comes to the GTRs.
Honestly.
Yeah, I just love that body style. It's so clean, timeless.
32 and 34 for me.
Yeah. I wonder who this might be over here. Oh, this Colorado M5X. This Brian. This was the thing we were zooming in on earlier. Nuts. Wow. Super clean Evo. Always love a nice Evo.
Yeah, fuck with your shirt, bro.
Hey, thank you, bro. I like your hoodie too. For sure. Yeah, this orange on this M4 is crazy. Super crazy. This man's beautiful BMW. He always has some sort of crazy BMW build. He likes to have single turbo 335i's and completely gap people. As you guys can see that tire back there. But yeah, this is Brian from Colorado M5X. Dude makes phenomenal cars. This color is crazy too. Gotta see the whole thing. Man, people out here congregating to find the next meet spot. Should be tight. I hear that turbo. Sounds clean. Well, we're just sitting in car meet traffic. Just sitting here. Colorado M5X going crazy out here. I think this, I don't even know how much wheel horsepower this thing makes. Probably like 800, it's insane. Super clean BMW. Well guys, I think I'm gonna call it there. Today was a pretty cool day. Not a super long vlog, but pretty happy with this setup so far. We got a lot more work to do on the build, but we're just gonna keep it pushing. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.